Earlier today, my esteemed colleague Joel Stockdale opined that the Nissan Kicks is a terrible Juke replacement. That, too, was my first reaction. Actually, my literal first reaction was, oh dear. But, after getting a good, long look at it today, I'm going to have to disagree. I actually think it's a smart Juke replacement. Now, for starters, I will agree that its 125 horsepower engine is weak sauce. Not compared to the Juke, but in a segment filled with decidedly weak sauce engines. I can't imagine the Kicks will be anything other than doggedly slow. Beyond that, though, I think the Kicks makes sense. Sure, it's not as wild looking as the Juke, but then the Juke was hideous. I've heard it grew on people, but that's never a ringing endorsement.